And then should we kiss?
I'm a calf kind of girl. Like I need
Yeah,
good
calves. Skinny calves don't even talk to
Yeah.
me.
She must have been like that front bencher going, ma'am, they must have been like, you already answered, just calm down, Shayad.
The number of headlines I have with bold, I'm
Bold
like, please, can you
actress.
get
Yeah.
another word?
A guy who does reverse packing with one hand.
I love.
Two good or maybe not so good girls, we'll find out in this episode. But I'm so excited. Two of my favorite girls on the Good Girls show, Manvi Gagru and Shiny Gupta. Welcome.
Thank you, Pari.
Thank you, Pari. Third good girl.
Yeah.
I identify as a good girl completely.
Yeah.
Fully.
Good girl syndrome.
Yeah. Like I bhukto from good girl syndrome.
A hard one to get rid of, I know.
Yeah.
Right.
It's almost like a invisible cloak that you can't unwear,
yeah.
you know?
Yes. And that's why I thought it'll be nice to actually have both of you here and
Because we are not.
Balance the situation.
correct.
I'm so good that I take two to balance.
Balance it up.
That's actually true. I'm so glad that आप लोग show पर आ सके. Before we start, first things first, I also want to thank Aurelia for being a strong support on this show. I'm also wearing Aurelia, so
Oh, it's really nice. It's really pretty. Yeah.
which are breathable and very summery,
yeah,
very
so
summery.
summer.
Okay, शुरुआत हम करेंगे with something which is called the Good Girls Report Card.
Oh dear.
The twist here is that आपको ये report card एक दूसरे के लिए fill करना है.
Oh.
So I'll write her name, of course, na?
Okay.
First part on this is I've been called. So आपको वो words stick करने हैं जो आपको लगता है people must have used to
For her. Correct.
Yeah.
Sarcastic,
Okay.
talkative,
Okay.
girl's girl,
हाँ.
opinionated.
Do you agree, Manvi?
Yeah, but there are more though. But yeah,
I'm being nice to you.
These are correct.
Okay. So people do call you sarcastic?
Yeah, or they don't get my sarcasm.
I think it's more the latter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Again, Manvi for Shiny.
Bold.
I was
No, no.
expecting this word, yes.
Yeah, because like the people just call all four of us, I think, just like bold because we've done a show like
Since
promotion, so-
2014, Margarita say bold.
Yeah, because yeah.
The number of headlines I have with bold, I'm
Bold
like, please, can you
actress.
get
Yeah.
another word? Yeah.
Girl's girl, dramatic, sensitive, bossy, too much, opinionated,
Wow.
brave. I think we've yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a lot.
That's a lot.
These are synonyms of a certain kind of girl, and which both of us are. So something like too much. What it's such
What
a
is too
subjective
much?
thing, right?
Yeah.
Like what is too much? Like what are you too much? Like more than what? Like,
Yeah.
you know,
What's
so
the
that-
level?
What's
Correct.
the baseline that we are working with?
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah. But that's exactly the thing. ये words यहाँ पर इसलिए भी हैं because I feel like कभी भी किसी के लिए भी किसी भी लड़की के लिए word use होता है, but then she stops being a good girl.
Yeah.
Like if she's opinionated or if she's too opinionated, then she's not a good girl anymore. She's just a very opinionated.
She's basically non-compliant.
Yeah.
That is the word, you know, because again, when you don't conform, and I'm somebody who's never conformed, the choices one has made, even to leave Calcutta when I was not even 18, the first flight I took ever in my life was so that I can go to Delhi and give myself the education I wanted. Every choice that I made, whether it's going to FTI or not, every choice was non-conformist. I couldn't be here if I was conforming, you know, and I'm sure that the fact that both of us are sitting here, there is that common thread that you cannot be the person what people tell you to be. You have to find yourself and your voice and your integrity, keep your integrity through that journey, you know, and that's all about being the human being you want to be.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much. The next part on this is feedback and remarks. This is about remarks बचपन के report card में,
Oh,
school या college
हाँ.
report cards में, a remark that must have been on her report card.
Calm down. Because she must have been like that front bencher going, ma'am, like, or sir, whatever. And they must have been like, you already answered. Just calm down, Shai. You know?
Wow, is that true?
Yeah, I have a topper syndrome. Yeah, I've written, does really well in studies, but talks a lot in class and distracts the class. Right?
That is fucking bang on, dude.
Wow.
My best friend was told that, listen, she will like they made us sit separately because they were like, "ये तो marks ले आती है," because you know like whatever. And but she distracts you and you don't end up scoring as well as her. So stop hanging.
I
out
just knew
with
I was just a fly on
Yeah,
that wall,
see?
bro.
Yeah.
Nothing much
Were
has
you-
changed.
were you that
friend? No, little Manvi is the same as the big Manvi. Yeah.
And the next one is a remark that you wished for. Is there something that you think she must have wished for? कि यार मेरे बारे में काश को ये लिख देता या ये बोल देता.
हमें नहीं फर्क
हमें
पड़ता.
हमें लोगों के टीचर से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. No, I just laughed at. I wrote good going child. Like I just added child. That's why I laughed. But like just good going. Like you know, just
like that.
maybe you just wanted to hear that.
Yeah. No, I have written. She would want to hear "I'm the funniest." Like
Sure.
that. Huh.
I don't think I had that,
No,
but like
sorry.
yeah, I
Yeah.
developed it as I grew older and saw
Ah.
the world for what it is. That's how I developed my
You
humor.
are, yeah.
But
Your
yeah,
But what
Coping
would you have?
mechanism.
yeah.
What would you have wanted to hear then?
Good.
Yeah, good stuff. Good stuff. यही जो मैंने
हाँ.
इसको दिया.
Basically, मैं थोड़ा सा encouragement, word of encouragement.
Right.
No, but there was not like dearth of encouragement also. So I don't really know what would I have wished. I was quite happy with this. That imagine like, you know, you're great. Just don't be I mean, I could be talkative and be like a
Yeah.
topper. So
Yeah.
what else does a child want?
Wow.
You know.
Were you ever asked to be a good girl, or you felt कि यार मुझे I will have to be a good girl to be able to do certain things? Ever did you feel that?
Yeah, I was a very shy kid, and I
It's
was
in your
very
name.
quiet. I was very quiet, and I used to do exactly what my mother was extremely strict, you know, and she was a single mother. Things were really hard at home, so there was no scope. Although I was a single child, there was no scope to not do everything I could to not make her life any harder because it was already so hard. There was a lot of pressure because all my cousins were overachievers. They were excelling academically. And it's not just academically, while they were toppers in their respective classes or whatever, or going to an IIT and, you know, MIT and all of those things, or Oxford, they were also writing novels and books and short stories and doing other things, or, you know, rowing as the Indian captain of the rowing team. So people all around me were doing so
High
well,
achieving,
high
yeah.
achieving things, that my entire childhood went being compared to people. You know, वो ऐसा कर रहा है, उसने ये किया, वो किया. So, and I was like, मैं भी तो हूँ यार. You know, only now, Pari, like literally, I feel कि यार नहीं फर्क पड़ता है because I found my space, you know. And this recent Harvard thing, you know, that happened, finally I feel that, what happened?
She is the South Asian person of the year.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
That is so cool. Congratulations.
Thank you. But it's again,
Harvard
like,
is honoring her as.
yeah. So,
Oh, that's so cool. I didn't know this.
yeah. So again, you know, it's not like for me. I'm like, yeah, okay, cool, okay. You know, I mean, I'm grateful, but I feel for my family, finally they think that कुछ achieve किया है.
Yeah.
Harvard
अब
ऐसे
आया ना
award दे रहा है.
कुछ.
Oh my God! After doing
Acting,
so
acting,
much.
You know, it doesn't matter how many awards or how much work you've done, you know, as an actor or whatever. Finally, they feel like, acha, theek hai, maybe she is a good girl, you know, because finally I fit into an image of this and you know, yeah. So it's complex, right?
Congratulations on that. I mean, I was obviously about to bring that up later, but so glad you mentioned it. It's a huge thing. It's a big thing.
Yeah,
I
didn't
mean,
know.
yeah. Congratulations.
You don't follow me on social media.
But you know, I've noticed this कि मेरे जो actual में बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं,
उनका नहीं आता है टाइमलाइन पे.
आता
नहीं,
नहीं
मेरा
है
तो
और वो
shadow
मेरे
block है.
पोस्ट और इसके साथ engage भी नहीं करते हैं. Like I rarely find like my best friends like putting a comment or sharing stuff.
True,
They
true,
tell
true,
me
yeah.
personally or
In fact,
we
they
talk.
will share that on my WhatsApp and be like, "Oh, you look nice." here."
Yeah.
And I'm
उधर भी बोलते हैं.
What is this about? Yeah.
That's true. That's true. But Manvi, what about you? Were you ever asked to be a good girl? What did you understand of that?
No, actually, you know, so I'm the younger one in the family. Very, very pampered, very loved, very allowed to be what I was. I, in fact, feel bad for my sister because I think she got the short end of the deal because she's a good girl, you know, and she always was the good girl. In fact, it made things harder for me because I was like, why did you have to be this person, you know, like
This
such a good
perfect.
girl? Because then anything I would do would seem like, oh my God, she's rebelling, you know. And I don't think I ever had a rebelling phase as such because my life was, I mean, I still tell my parents, you know, sometimes when they say something, I'm like, Kab sikhoge aap that I'm not going to listen to you? Like, when will you give up? Like, you know, I'm not going to listen to the world or whatever. I may do the same thing that you're asking me to do, but I have to get there myself. So I may, you know, it's like small things like, whatever, if sleep on time and stuff like that. We've all known that. Our parents have always told us, kitna late utte ho, kitna late sote ho, and all of that. But it's only now that you realize that maybe there was some wisdom in that, you know, but I need to get there myself. So, you know, I'll never do it because someone asked me to do it. I'll do it because I see merit in it or whatever. So I didn't have that good girl syndrome or whatever.
Wow, that's interesting.
Yeah.
I think it's also got to do with younger sibling. You're right.
Probably,
like
yeah.
elder
Much
siblings
less attention given to us. So we're like, we just
Yeah,
get to, we grow up
yeah.
on the side. It's
grow up on the
I love
side.
it. I love it.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do a fun game now. It's called Take a Shot, because FOMO shots. Take a Shot, Good Girl Edition.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah, let's do it.
I'm going to read out few prompts, and अगर आपने वो किया है, तो you take a shot. Changed clothes when a male relative is coming over.
All the time.
Yeah.
है ना?
But like,
Not change clothes, but wear undergarments
Sure.
properly. All the time.
Properly. Not ulta.
Huh.
Pretended to be less opinionated to be likable.
Oh, never.
Apologized when you weren't wrong. Like you said sorry even though you were not wrong.
Yeah.
Done it? No?
But I do apologize a lot. Like if I bump into someone or whatever by mistake and all that.
Okay, you've done it.
Yeah, and you know, in a relationship, sometimes it's just like it's okay to say sorry and move on.
Yeah.
What's
Okay.
your thing to do?
Okay.
Not be like, no, I was wrong. I will not say sorry.
Okay. Not able to say no. You haven't been able to say no, and that's why you took the workload on your head. क्योंकि आप ना नहीं बोल पाए.
I बोल देती हूँ ना.
Are you able to say no always?
Only no. Yes comes very hard. difficult.
Wow.
Yes is
Please
very
teach how to do that.
नहीं, abhi I have to learn how to say yes. Seriously, I'm very bad at saying yes. I mean, if I didn't want to do it and I did it, I feel so bad. I feel like I'm breaking out into like some sort of allergic reaction. Okay, so I only do things what I want to do, and I मन से जो करने का मन होता है वही मैं बस करती हूँ और कुछ नहीं करती हूँ मैं.
Wow.
And again, I don't think it's a selfish thing. You just, because I am a happier person. I think maybe it's a Libra thing. I don't know what it is, but I have to be like happy all the time. So I don't do stuff.
That's
that
so
I don't
interesting.
want.
I have to learn this from you then. Okay. Have you avoided putting too much makeup because you didn't want to look too much? No? No. जैसे मेरे को याद है एक बार years ago and I was still in college that time, तो मैं ना थोड़ा सा ऐसे ज़्यादा blush लगा कर और मैं चली गई थी, and there was this guy who was a very very good friend, but then he was like तू मेकअप लगा के आई है क्या? And I don't know why I said कि नहीं.
Men tend to do that.
Yeah.
नहीं मैं तो नहीं लगाई हूँ makeup. So then like now I feel my relationship with makeup has changed so
Yeah,
much.
yeah.
Like I'm not doing it for anybody's gaze.
Yeah.
And it's beautiful what you said, because a lot of men and boys actually will say that actually we like you without makeup. Okay, and I've heard that, and I've heard a lot of women say that as well, because their relationship with what happens to a woman when she's expressing herself through makeup, when she is wanting to look a certain way, what are the politics of a red lip, you know, what a glitter does, right? Everything has a social sort of construct, you know, how society sees a woman with red lips. So especially as a young girl, like maybe you're in college, you're 19, 20, 21, these are formative years. So, you know, and you're not the only one. It happens to so many people. Similarly, women who are a little bigger chested, you see them slouching. You know, teen girls, you see them slouch because there's a consciousness of, not because they are feeling that way, but because people look at them differently and start
height,
looking
like, you know,
Yeah,
women who are
height.
really tall or who reach that height younger, when they're at a younger age, which is like when you hit puberty basically, and girls usually hit puberty a little earlier than boys, right? And they immediately shoot up, and they are made to feel odd about their height, which is actually ridiculous, right? I mean, every height is fine, but it's actually a good thing, but they end up, and then they develop this hunch and slouch, and again, which they don't even realize. And that's the sad part, that it's not happening consciously, it's happening at a level that you can't even fathom until maybe much later. Even that's
Much
a maybe.
later.
Even that's a maybe. Like, it's only if you're doing like work on yourself that you
Yeah.
realize that, oh my god, is this why I do this?
Yeah.
Or like so many things, right? Like, and it comes from various parts. Like, it's society, it comes from media, it comes from family. It's crazy. Like, yeah.
Yeah, it's like just like wanting to be smaller to
Yeah, invisible.
fit in.
Only because, no, and again, not to fit in, not to be called out on not fitting in. You know what I'm saying? It's like, oh, like I remember there was this, I was in, so in Delhi, I studied in Delhi, and in Delhi winter, my cheeks would go red. Phad jate the. It wasn't even like a good, healthy blush or anything, right? And I remember one teacher once came and told me, she's like, are you wearing makeup? And I said, and I looked at her, and I was in 6th grade or something. So that's what, 11 years old. And I was like, what? No. And she goes, she's like, of course you're wearing makeup. And and then she's like reprimanded me in front of the whole class. And I was like, what is she even talking about? I went to the loo, I looked at myself, and I'm like, oh, is this what? Then I had to go and like tell her separately in the staff room, saying like, these are my cheeks that have burst, my blood vessels or whatever. I don't know the science behind it. And then she was like, okay, whatever. And she rolled her eyes. And I remember thinking, like, that's stupid.
I also feel that it's also stems from the fact that, okay, be girly, but don't be too girly.
Yeah.
You know, like.
Don't be too much of anything.
Anything.
Yeah.
Be this, but not to.
No.
Because so when someone says be this, they mean be it because I'm asking you to,
Yeah.
be the way I'm asking you to, be within the constraints of what. So, there's so much of, it's like, it's such
खेलो,
a man's
इस-
world.
वही दायरा है.
Yeah.
Man, woman, I think it's society.
No,
वही
it's a man's
दायरा
world.
है.
It comes from that. It
From,
comes
yeah,
from that.
a deep
Because
seated
there's no
patriarchy,
such
yeah.
thing for men. That's what.
हाँ.
Yeah. It
क्यों
is.
तो उतने में ही खेलो, बाहर नहीं पैर रखना, पर खेलो क्योंकि मैं आपको फ्रीडम दे रहा हूँ खेलने के लिए.
Correct. Okay, next one. Stayed longer in a relationship than you should have.
Manvi, you also drink.
I don't. I
I
have
know
never.
you drink for me now.
I'll drink on her behalf.
She's taken one full big sip this time.
For all the men who
years.
came before.
Okay, next one. Have you ever said, I'm not like other girls?
No.
No.
Oh,
कैसी बात है?
amazing. I am guilty of doing this in my
You're a
teenage
good
years.
girl, na?
Yeah,
That's why.
that's why. I'm not like other girls is something that we've had to unlearn, right? Like, because eventually after one point I started thinking कि यार क्या गलत है इसमें? I am like other girls. What's wrong in being like other girls? Have you ever been the first one to run to the kitchen when guests come over?
All the time in other people's houses also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I might have also, but not for the reason you think. I might have gone to eat. What is it that the guests are getting? I'm gonna go take a
Pehle.
bite of that.
First dibs.
What was your reason?
Yeah, I am just I like doing
Host.
thing. I'm
Good
just,
host, na?
yeah.
She's a hoster.
Yeah, I've gone even cleaned my friend's kitchen. Me and my other girlfriend has cleaned up the entire kitchen after a party in a third friend's house, and our friends are like, तुम दोनों हमेशा invited हो क्योंकि तुम आके साफ करती हो चीजें.
Urban company.
Sometimes I'm like, I have told myself
Side
at
hustle.
somebody else's house, I'm like, I should chill a little because they haven't asked me to serve drinks to everybody, but I am. अब क्या खाएंगे, अब क्या पियेंगे, आप थोड़ा सा पानी पियेंगे, नींबू या सोडा.
Okay, have you ever hidden a part of your life from your family?
Yeah, I mean they don't need to know everything.
Don't want to hurt them. नहीं मतलब मेरा पता भी लग जाता था. I was like,
ठीक है.
अब तो हो गया.
And last one, have you ever hesitated before making a male friend?
Making a male friend as in?
Like I would be, I feel, because I
Which was
also
a
grew
girls'
up-
college.
Yeah, because I was in
school.
girls' school.
That's why.
So then that's why I feel like मेरे को एक point तक थोड़ी hesitation थी, you know, in being around boys or in talking or in interacting with boys.
Okay.
So has that ever
I
happened?
went to a co-ed school, so
Yeah, wow. That's something I wish I would have. You were also in a co-ed
Yeah.
setup?
Yeah.
I think advantages होते हैं of being in a co-ed setup.
yeah, I
you learn to
find it
interact.
unnatural to put boys
that's
in
what-
one
like
building
my
and
dad
girls in
used
one
to
building.
always
It's
say this,
bizarre.
like, even when we were growing up, my dad was very clear that you have to have guy friends. You have, because the world, like, you know, it's a co-ed world, so you have to grow up in a co-ed environment and on. And my mom would be like, "Who's he?" You know, so like they had their strengths, and I knew who to exploit for what. So yeah.
Yeah, it's interesting.
In fact, my class teacher once in class 11, my very close friend, and we were like sort of partners, you know, like in the sense that mane desk partners, right? We used to sit next to each other.
Like at someone.
तो वो मतलब and the three of us, but we were one gang, but it was like first second third हम ही आते थे, ठीक है? तो पढ़ाई हम ही करते थे, पर हम बात भी बहुत करते थे. So I was the prefect or whatever, and Ognishwar, my friend, we would constantly be like da 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 da. One day, this class teacher who knew my father, because my father was musicians or whatever, they knew each other. She called him up, okay? And तब तो landline होते थे. She called him up on his phone, on his landline, and said, "I think there's something going on between Shayoni and Ognishwar." And my dad is like, yeah, so, why? But what makes you think they are? And because my dad would know mostly, and I was not dating him because I was dating somebody else. So my dad knew it. So my dad
You're
was like,
wrong.
yeah. She's like, what makes you think so? And then she was like, because they sit next to each other and talk all day.
Oh, God,
And my dad apparently told her, imagine telling a school teacher, class teacher, saying, I want your resignation tomorrow. You're not fit to teach in a co-ed school.
Nice.
And I was like, you can't be telling that to my class teacher. You know? And he's like, yeah, but how dare she? So he got really offended.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah.
It's kind of strange, but I'm sure things have changed. When we were growing up, things were much more like sort of cagey, and it wasn't as open in many, many ways as well.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Okay, they don't qualify as good girls at all. Yes, started short.
Oh yeah,
Should have
man.
just listened to us and not wasted
Yeah,
all this
so much
time.
coffee. Pilao sabko abhi.
But what is it like being in love with a funny guy?
Oh, it's amazing. Yeah, but I think I'm funnier. Like,
Really?
I'm very funny.
Really? She's almost like offended.
Yeah, I'm deeply
dare you?
offended. What do you mean, really? Oh, were you? Your surprise was that I'm funnier. Like the comparison is what you were
No,
saying.
in the
You
sense
know
that
I'm funny.
I know you're funny, but funnier is because like
Haan,
somebody who does
actually,
it
no,
as a
that is-
profession.
That I don't know. Obviously, like it's also subjective humor. I love my humor. I think I'm extremely funny. No, but I think it's amazing. I find humor as a sign, an indicator of intelligence, and it is, because if you don't see the value of humor, you're not seeing the world for what it is, I feel, because that's the only way to deal with the world and life and everything or whatever. And it does help you. It's a great, it helps you understand the world. It helps you navigate the world. So yeah, I think humor is something that we must all consciously inculcate, you know, yeah.
Yeah, because it's always been a thing, right? Like, I want somebody who makes me laugh.
Yeah.
So you have that somebody who
Yeah.
makes you laugh.
We
And
make
it must,
each other laugh.
yeah, and it must be amazing, right?
Yeah, yeah.
To have a sense of humor in a relationship.
Yeah.
In any relationship.
Yeah, in any relationship.
Yeah. Would you want to date
Would
a
you want
funny
to
guy?
date a funny guy?
Yeah.
Of course, I think they have to be. I mean, again, humor is very, very important, and I would like to believe that I have, and I like humorous people, and I like people who are able to see humor even in darker times. Like my mother is very witty and very funny. You know, my nani was very witty and very funny. So yeah, so it's actually really fun to hang with people who have that sense of humor.
You're
And of
welcome,
course-
Shai.
Yeah, why do you think?
I know.
But yeah, of course, I would like to. Yeah, imagine dating one drab guy. My
Yeah.
God, they could be so good looking, but then no humor. It's like,
No, and the worst is when you date someone who thinks he's funny. but
and
he's
has the
not.
worst timing.
Yeah, and you're just like, should I tell him?
Actually, that's true.
I feel
Bad
like
humor
Yeah,
is
is
better,
worse.
is worse than
no humor.
lack of humor.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah,
correct.
correct.
It's amazing humor,
Yeah.
no humor, horrible humor. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So
Yeah.
because I've dated one guy.
हाँ.
Oh my God.
गंदी एक्टिंग से कोई एक्सप्रेशन
कोई
ना
मत
दो वो
दो,
बेटर है
हाँ,
हाँ,
like
वो
a
हम
stone face
हाँ,
ball or
हाँ,
whatever.
हाँ.
You've dated a guy with a horrible sense of humor.
And who thought he was really funny? That was the thing. So and he would crack these jokes and laugh and expect laughter. And so initially I was like, should I fake the laugh? Like, what do I do?
Oh.
Then I'm like, nahi, par main, you know, why should I like encourage this
Yeah.
bad behavior? Bad humor. Then I was like, but I used to feel like
it's
by the
worse
end
than
of
bad
it, I
behavior.
felt like pitiful, you know. I was like, hey,
Bechara
bichara, he
try
doesn't
to
know,
kar raha
and he
hai.
doesn't know he's funny. It's so sad. Then I would tell him that, I mean, yeah, didn't last long. Safe
Yeah.
to say.
बट ऐसा कभी हुआ आप लोगों के साथ कि किसी ने कोई बहुत ही ऑफेंसिव सी चीज बोल दी, उन्हें लगा कि बहुत फनी है, लेकिन यू वर लाइक ब्रदर दैट्स रियली ऑफेंसिव.
Yeah, it's happened, but sometimes my humor also doesn't land.
Sometimes I am that person.
Intention तो funny होने का था, बस थोड़ा offensive हो गया. Also, my humor brand is quite like I can be
Offensive.
especially to men.
Okay, so tell me non-sexual things that men do that are a huge turn on for women. Like I think for me it's remembering like tiny
small
details
things, yeah.
and bringing up in a conversation. Like मैंने उसको बहुत पहले कुछ चीज बताई होगी शायद
Hmm.
in a past conversation, and then that person actually remembers it and
Hmm.
brings it up in a like a
I think airport pickups are the sweetest.
yeah.
You know.
I love it.
Also, like out of I have done it, but like out of the blue, just sending flowers maybe. Also, I think it's very attractive when they get along with your parents or your friends.
Friends.
You know,
Your other friends.
yeah, they see you, but they also see your friends, and you know that. I think that is usually attractive. It's
Guys who can communicate their feelings, who are good, who with high EQ, you know, just
100%.
High EQ.
because that's something that I feel, because I love a guy who is sorted, you know, who has
Yeah.
worked on himself and understands emotions and relationships and how the world works, you know, all of that.
Yeah.
Like, and I think that was one of the things that was most attractive about Varun. When I first met him, I'm like, oh, finally, an adult male, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah, who's
Not a man
Finally
child.
an adult
not a man
male.
child. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, so I have a few prompts written. आपको rate करना है इसको. Rate on a scale of 1 to 5. Okay, 5 being the highest. A guy who does reverse packing with one hand.
I love.
Show me.
No, I know. I know. Margot Robbie
beeping-
said it. Margot
that
Robbie
beeping
said it
thing.
in her last Wuthering Heights wala interview, and you know she brought it up, and I was like, yeah, I love that.
Yeah,
Cuts fruits for you.
A guy who cuts fruits for me.
I call that spot dada. No. I mean, no. Why fruits only? Then might as well cut other things. Sabzi bhi kaat do, ye चावल भी लगा दो.
नहीं, actually,
यार कोई आपको फ्रूट काट कर दे रहा है प्लेट में सर्व कर रहा है तो उसका
मैं
फीलिंग थोड़ा
पहले पूछूंगी
नहीं,
हाथ
I don't-
धोया है कि नहीं.
the OCD in
हाथ
her
धो के आओ.
हाँ.
नहीं यार, I don't want to
हाथ
be like parented. I don't want my partner to be my parent.
parent.
पर हाँ, मतलब खाना लाएगा तो अच्छा ही लगेगा.
हाँ, exactly. वो तो कोई भी खिला दे.
हाँ. 3.
3. Okay.
Yeah.
Picks you up from the airport.
Oh.
Madam has already
Said that.
Yeah.
5.
5.
5.
Surprise airport pickups are nice. Also, if it's been a long time, like I've been away from a long time and stuff like that. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Coming to work to pick up can also be nice. You know?
No, my work though is very like.
No, like after
हाँ, like when you, after it's
you
over.
know,
and
imagine
then
you've had like a really long day at shoot.
Yeah, but coming
and
to
then-
my work,
No,
otherwise it's
not
such
coming to
a,
work.
like, don't
Not
show up.
entering only.
Yeah.
बाहर
हाँ.
gate पे
And then,
खड़े हैं
you
गाड़ी के
finished,
साथ.
you packed
Yeah,
up,
then I'm
you're
like,
going
oh,
with it,
how's
and
your
you're like,
day?
oh my God, what are you doing?
Yeah,
Oh.
it'll be so sweet.
Excited.
These are all things that we haven't gotten. I तो haven't
I've
gotten. Okay, now no airport pickup also.
Oh
मैं
no,
विशेष बोल रही हूँ.
Shiny. You deserve an airport pickup.
I deserve all of it.
When are you
baby.
going? Tell me, I'll come pick you up.
Okay. Has veiny forearms. I don't know, like girls have a thing for veins in guys. I also don't have it, but has veiny forearms. Does that do something?
Not too veiny, but I know what you're saying.
I'm a calf kind of girl. Like I need
Yeah,
good calves.
calves. Skinny calves don't even talk to me.
Yeah, I want footballer calves
Yeah.
or go home. You know, yeah.
How specific is that? Okay.
It's less specific than
Calf it.
veiny arms.
Yeah.
That's
But
steroid.
I like a nice forearm.
Nice forearm. Okay. Initiates hard conversations.
5,
I mean,
4 maybe.
not like unnecessarily.
Yeah.
You know,
Don't
only
make
if
it
it's
so hard.
required.
Every day it's time.
I think we
Beta
need to
khana
talk.
khaya, cha baito.
Come.
Haan, please.
Come for. I have a
Yeah.
therapist for that. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Is great with kids.
Oh, 5, 10. Deeply attractive.
Says I'll take care of it and then actually does it.
Yeah, 5.5.
5.
And a half. Okay. And talks about your achievements with pride.
Yeah, 5. Yeah.
Yeah, especially in a room where you're not there. तो और भी ज़्यादा ना?
That I don't know.
I can hear it. Yeah.
No, but I think more than talking, because again, I would be very like I feel very shy and whatever. But actually, somebody who is, you can see the pride and you can see the
Yeah,
support. It's not
yeah.
about talking out
You
loud.
don't have to say it
You
out
see it in the
loud.
eyes and you see with their general behavior.
Yeah, and their actions will.
Yeah.
That's another 8-pointer.
Exactly.
You know, when your actions are like words, everybody can say.
Haan,
But,
yeah.
like you have
And
to
not
follow
mean
it
them
up with-
also.
Yeah, you have to follow it up with action.
All right, that was fun. The one thing that's not there on the list, but it's really is like I love it is when you know I'm walking with a guy and then he pushes me to the side of.
Oh,
the-
yeah.
like-
I know exactly what you're saying.
Like you understand?
Nay,
Yes,
but
no,
I
I know
wouldn't
exactly
want a
what-
guy
yeah,
to do it.
yeah,
I will get,
yeah.
I'll be like,
It's a bit
Really?
Kabir Singh.
you're not my, exactly, you're not my protector.
Oh
I can
no!
tell you myself.
Is
Thank
this
you
my
for-
toxic trait
Thank
then?
you. Thank you very
little
much.
blind spot that
Yeah.
we must point out to you. Little Bollywoodification of relationships is happening.
Yeah.
I shall work on that trait.
I mean, if you want to, if
It's
it works
okay,
for you, please, yeah. Why
if
will
you
you?
like it, you like
Yeah.
it, girl.
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. It works for you. it's
Next time,
fine.
push him on the side. Truck it, just throw him like, yeah.
Yeah.
But there is a word that I've recently come across on the internet a lot, which is decentering men.
Yeah, decentering,
Decentering men.
Like, yeah.
तुझे कैसे पता होता है हर नई चीजें?
क्योंकि मैंने जेंडर स्टडीज पढ़ा है जो अभी हम इंडिया में बात कर रहे हैं वो हमने 10 साल पहले पढ़ा था.
तो decentering क्या होता है?
Decentering men is wherein you don't do things for male validation. The priority is self.
Oh, that.
No, also like things like, you know, when we're like even fashion for like I feel it so much when it comes to fashion that so many times we're uncomfortable
And we do it.
and we do it wearing corsets, we're wearing body shapers and this and that because there's over the years and even we also want our body to look a certain way in an outfit because that's what's been fed to us
Yeah.
and that's always been the man's
तो उसको कब से
vision.
decentering बोलते हैं? ये तो बचपन से decentering is what? Decentering
So
a man.
don't put
why?
men in the center. of
Ah,
things.
okay.
got it.
Like the gays cannot.
Yeah.
Like the fact
That's
we're wearing
gays only.
heels.
Yeah.
If we had never worn heels, if there were no heels in the world,
only, absolutely.
we would have all been in flats.
Would have, yeah.
Wearing bras, wearing shapers. Shapers I find fucking annoying. Like, you know, why are we anyway? So there's you know, all of that. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Even the way we want to look like, I mean, even growing up, my Masi, who was a history professor, she used to not, like every time I wore a certain thing, like maybe a sleeveless or even like bangles and all, she used to be like, these are shackles, you can't wear this, you know, was so
Waxing.
waxing,
you know,
exactly.
all of
Why
these,
is hair a
yeah.
problem or whatever it is?
I mean,
But,
just equal, right?
Huh.
Like, let's have
Yeah.
equal standards.
Like I am waxing and the guy sitting next to me is so hairy,
Yeah.
like, excuse me, then you also do something.
Yeah, exactly.
That's true. So yeah, that's
Please laser those ear hairs.
yeah. Ear hairs.
What kind of guys are we looking at this time? Veiny forearms, don't come to the airport. No, your hair. What is going on? We need to hang. You need to touch someone. She's gonna choke her. Are you okay? Gulp it down. Swallow. Spit or swallow.
I'm not high-fiving. No, I am not hanging with. Mane,
She's so all
I'm
over, guys.
seeing too much your hair on men these days. You know?
Why are you looking at their ears? Firstly, why? She said, "Come, I want to tell you something." No.
One eternity later.
We now have another segment, which is we spoke about fashion clothes. So this is the Aurelia Trend Talk segment, okay? And we're going to discuss some fashion myths. Dusky girls shouldn't wear bright colors.
Bullshit.
कौन बोल रहा है ये सब?
I think girls should wear whatever, guys should wear whatever.
Yeah. Okay.
People should wear whatever.
Another myth is everything suits a fair skin.
I mean,
Again, कौन बोल रहा है ये सब?
identify yourself,
Yeah.
you idiots.
Curvy women shouldn't wear body hugging clothes.
I think sabka answer is like bullshit to
हाँ.
me. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
Curvy women shouldn't wear body hugging clothes comes from that fact that if this is your body type, only this is.
Yeah,
you should wear
yeah.
only this.
Yeah.
दिखाओ
yeah.
नहीं ना, छुपाओ बस.
हाँ,
छुपाओ.
cover कर दो सब. Yeah, you know, कुछ दिखना नहीं चाहिए. Yeah.
Correct. Repeating outfits is embarrassing.
I repeat them all
I
the
have,
time.
Yeah, I used to think that, to be honest, till a certain, but in the last, again, 10, 15 years, I've become very like, come on, in fact, I take it as a challenge. How can I wear the same outfit and still put a different look together?
Yeah.
You know, that I love doing that, yeah.
You can't wear loafers or sneakers with saris or lehenga.
I have worn Birkenstocks
wearing.
and sneakers and boots with saris and lehengas all my life on red carpet at film
I
festivals.
love it.
Yeah,
I wore it for my wedding. I was wearing like
Yeah,
sneakers
yeah.
under my lehenga and sari and all of that. Yeah,
You know, again, like it's comfort over anything else.
yeah.
Salwar suits are more sanskari than kurtis. Because apparently adding a dupatta, अगर आपके outfit पर दुपट्टा आ जाता है तो वो suddenly और respectable और संस्कारी बन जाता है.
यार संस्कारी ना मतलब वो वर्ड ही थोड़ा सा पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट
Suspect.
हाँ पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट लेके होना चाहिए. संस्कार इंसान अंदरूनी होता है. आप कैसी इंसान है, कैसे ट्रीट करते हैं लोगों को, काइंडनेस के साथ बड़ों से कैसे बात करते हैं, आपके नीची स्तर में जो लोग शायद हो उनसे आप कैसे पेश आते हैं, वो होता है संस्कार. कपड़े क्या पहन रहे हो उससे संस्कार नहीं होता. I'm sorry.
And last one, ethnic wear is only for festivals or functions.
No, I wear saris all the time. When I used to work, I used to wear saris to work.
But
It
you
has
know,
nothing
this
to do
happened
with-
with me like when I moved to Bombay. So in like Delhi, because I moved after college, like when I moved to Bombay properly. So and college outfit used to be like, like a ganji and skirt
Yeah,
with
yeah.
kajal and silver
Delhi.
earrings. Yeah, very like DU dressing or kurta jeans and again kajal and whatever. So I would every time I would wear kurta jeans or like a Indian motif top, even if it's a top but like a jamdani top or something like that. People would be like, "Oh, did you have a puja at home?" And I
Bombay
was like,
mein?
Bombay mein. And I'm like, huh? They're like, are you coming from the temple? And I would just not, initially I wouldn't get it. I'm like, yahan pe pehante. Then I realized that but
Bombay
it's a
has
climate
different-
thing. It's a
Yeah.
climate thing, right? You wear more shorts or flowing like things that are
दिल्ली में शॉर्ट्स पहन ही नहीं सकते थे.
हाँ, वो तो अलग ही.
Yeah.
Yeah.
matlab, like you would wear flowy like some things that are things that are summer friendly.
But Delhi
Then I
has a
was like,
certain
yeah.
line. You again, like we've all
Yeah.
look like some version of Kareena Kapoor from Yuva. You know how
Or like the Preeti Zinta from Dil Chahta Hai. Dil Chahta Hai? No, Laksh.
Nahin.
Laksh.
Laksh.
Yeah,
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 yeah.
the first stuff.
The
Yeah.
first
The
stuff,
jhola
yeah.
and everything. Yeah.
There's a certain sense of liberty when you get to choose and wear what you want to wear. That it's just so freeing. I love that. Whatever it is. So, like for somebody, like I've seen a lot of women, like white women, Caucasian women, who have come and they'll wear an Indian outfit and they feel so good in it because they just love it. I think it's such an extension of your personality and, an expression of who you are or who you want the world to think you are.
Shiny, you also have a directorial debut.
Mm.
Yes.
It's Asmani, so we have that. Asmani. What can you tell us about that? I'm so looking forward to it. मतलब festivals पर already इतना प्यार मिल चुका है. It's,
मिल
once
रहा है
so
अभी
much मिल रहा है अभी भी.
इस इस महीने से मैं
तो-
जहाज में बैठ के छोटी सी आसमानी लेके हमारी there are things that you want to do in your life and this has been one of those जो core desire होता है ना कि ये नहीं करेंगे तो मर नहीं पाएंगे शांति से, you know, like I won't die in peace. So making a film was that for me. Children can watch it, older people can watch it, everybody can watch it. You know, I have been making young kids, Gen Zs watch it, and you
And
know,
you're taking the reactions.
yeah, and then my grand aunts watched it,
Hmm.
who are in their 70s and 80s, loved it. My grand aunt's watching a film that I have made about this older woman who, you know, and her friendship with a car. So it's yeah, it's like a full circle.
All the best.
Thank
we can't
you.
wait to
All the
watch it.
best.
And it's
My
a
God, I really need
passion
really-
project.
Ah.
All right, let's end with this. It's called Unsaid Things Friendship Edition. It's a rapid fire where you talk about each other. Okay, so things that you may not have said to each other directly, but then you say it today.
Oh dear God.
One thing you admire about her, but never say enough for each other.
I really like when we are on set and there would be chaos. Like, you know, it'll be insane, whatever, like good chaos, bad chaos, there's all kind of chaos on the set. But she manages to somehow kind of keep that all out. And that is something that I've always admired about her since first season. And I've told you that way too many times. I think she must have, she's heard it so
She's
many times.
written a note also.
She's lost the
She
zen.
wrote me a Valentine's Day note also.
Oh,
This only I said in that note.
Yeah. So she has only one nice thing to say about me.
that's
She repeats it in every interview.
Top favorite thing of hers. Because I used to be like, "अरे, कैसे कर
कैसे
लेती है
कर
यार?"
लेती है? Shani, for Manvi? One
कहाँ
thing
से
you
शुरू
admire
करूँ?
about her?
कहाँ से शुरू
Where
करूँ?
do I even begin?
I think when she walks into a room, there is generally, but I've also seen the other one. But no, there's generally like she's like the energy of the room goes up. You know, like that I think is quite cool, and it's mostly that, right? Like it's that sort of
Photons.
infectious
Sorry.
energy that she has. She really knows who she is, and which is kind of very attractive.
Okay. One quality of her you wish you had?
The things she comes up with in terms of jokes sometimes, and that her timing is definitely something that.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah. If I have to, I really enjoy it on her,
Hmm.
you know. But हाँ, मतलब timing तो बहुत सही है.
I think her,
But
again, it might sound extremely superficial, but I love her eyes. Like, I think, and I think for an actor,
That's the second compliment you came up with.
this is what I would want. Because on camera, especially, like I don't think I would have noticed it if she wasn't an actor. But like on camera, it just adds so much, right? And she has they're not just big, they're expressive.
Expressive
So,
eyes. That's true. Okay. Something about her that people misunderstand.
they ask me what do people misunderstand about me?
What do people misunderstand about you?
That's none of my business.
Nobody
They
cares.
they can misunderstand whatever. It's a
Nobody cares.
sorry, yeah.
It's a you problem.
Sounds like a problem.
Misunderstands, I don't know. I've never seen people misunderstanding my
Okay. Okay. Same for her.
For her, I think people a lot of times like because again on a set she's very she becomes like an AD also, you know, as an actor. She's also like doing this, doing that, which a lot of people find or may find, you know, that like a lot of people may not like that and be like, you know, whatever. But I know she's coming from she's not coming from a place of you not doing your job well or commenting on it has nothing to do with you. It has everything to do with her. You know, she's doing it because she likes to do it and she thinks that, you know, this will help her scene and her performance and all of that. So anyway, I think in our industry everyone takes things so personally, you know, like not just in industry, maybe everywhere. And we need to stop because, you know, there's that line in Schitt's Creek, right? Nobody's thinking about you the way you are thinking about
Oh
you.
my
Nobody
God.
is like you're,
Alexis tells David.
yeah,
Yes.
when he's going for the driver
Test.
license test,
Mm.
yeah, and like it's really that, like, you know, we take it's we're constantly projecting, we're always projecting. So you know, so I feel because she's just like she's so involved in her performance, so it's coming from there. It's not about you or whatever. So I think that's a misconception that someone might have about her.
Okay. One thing you wish she was kinder to herself about.
I think sometimes when, I mean, she is looking amazing, but she sometimes feel that this is not looking amazing on her. And all of us have, you know, certain things, right? And it's not a comment or anything, but again, like, she can't possibly not look amazing. So
Wow, that's so sweet.
Like, in all these
We'll
years, I've
end
never
with
not.
that.
yeah.
No, so ये जो इसकी high achiever energy है ना, like I think she is so if let's say she's planned 10 things to do in a day and she manages to do 8 of them, she will, instead of celebrating the fact that she's finished 8 of those, she will beat herself over not completing the 2. So yeah, I wish she got the math right.
Oh, that's amazing. And last one, a moment you felt really proud of each other.
I literally just like, I didn't know the Harvard thing, and when I found out, I was like, hey, that's cool. Like I knew about the Asmani thing and all of that, right? And I messaged her also and all that. But the Harvard thing I didn't know, so I was like, hey, that's really cool. I didn't know. Bitch has never been proud. What the hell? Take longer, can you?
But no, okay. So every time Manvi had to be the stand-up comic in the in FOMO shots, and she did such a good job of being really
Of
funny.
being a stand-up comic.
Yeah.
So you're proud of my acting.
Yeah.
Wow.
And your
That's
brevity.
that's special.
Yeah, the courage to take those lines on. And land them.
Oh, that's amazing. Thank you so much
Yeah, thank you.
for this and for being on the show, for just sharing the friendship that you have. I feel it's just amazing. I have two special things for you. One is something which is a ritual on the show. So this is a ritual on the show. Every girl who sits on the couch gets
In this yellow couch.
sunflower.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This one is for
Thank
you.
you.
And
And
that's
this
for you.
I'll
Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
And then should we
Yes.
kiss?
Nice.
Yeah.
And of course, a gift. This one is for Manvi,
Here, Manvi. Your.
and this one is for Shiny.
Say thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
These are gifts from
I
Aurelia.
approve of the.
तेरा वाला दिखा?
Oh, same ही है.
Oh, हम
Just
twin कर
size will
सकते
be
हैं.
different. Oh, I
अरे
thought.
पहले दिन तो एक साथ पहन कर. Sunflower लेकर.